Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here with a mini Dollar Tree haul. Um, so let me just do it very quickly. I have a pack of 2 gift bags. They were $1.25 for Halloween. I will be altering one of these, I think, for my boo bag because the other bags I have are like lunch sacks and I wanted something a little bigger. Not sure which one I'll alter or both. So that's the first thing. I did get 2 packs of stickers for Halloween. I don't know if I'll open these and use them because I have enough stuff, or just put them in the boo bag too. They were $1.25 each, and these were in the Halloween section, not the regular section. I like the cats. And then this one is just miscellaneous stuff. And then I also found in 2 different parts of the store, these were in the I think they were on an end cap, but near where the window clings are, and that's what they actually are. There, see? Let me raise this up a little bit. Window clings, and they look like this. So I'm participating in hashtag pink ribbon, and I thought at least some of the smaller ones I can use in that collab. And then in the stickers, which were hard to get to in the Dollar Tree I went to because they had a big like a cart like a high cart in front of them, but I peeked around the side and I found these, and so these are Gemmy stickers, and there are 16 of them breast cancer awareness stickers, so that's perfect, and I'll probably be using them for my project on the 14th, so at least one of them. So stay tuned for that. And then I did get these little pens. Excuse me. So sorry. I'm trying to hurry through this because my computer's acting up again. Anyway, 12 pieces for $1.25. They're just little mini pens in Halloween design, so I thought those were cute. And these are, it's a garland, but I was thinking I could take them apart and I could even cut the centers out if I wanted to, but they're different. I think they're all skulls. Let's open them and see if I can figure out how to open them. Yep. Oh, sorry for the crinkling. So, oh, no, they're not all skulls. Well, most of them are. There's orange, red, sort of a jack-o'-lantern skull, and it's sort of a dark blue. That's a pretty one. Maybe it's supposed to be purple, but it looks more dark blue to me. These are not punched all the way. That's why I'm picking at loose pieces here. Don't have time for that right now. Another pumpkin one. A black one. I like the black next to the pink even. Bright pink. Except that it's leaving marks, but yeah. So yeah, I thought, and they're different. See how that one's like 3 scallops, and this is like dotted all the way across. So those would be cool to put on the front of a book or anything really. So I wanted to get those, and I lost the bag. Put that there. And one last thing. This is more for me, but if I don't like it on my nails, I finally found plain black nail polish without sparkles and stuff in it, which I wanted. So I'll be using this soon, and if I don't like it, I can use it in my crafts, right? Okay, so that is my little mini haul. I did get some other stuff for around the house. I got 2 um, cinnamon, nutmeg, something, clove, maybe air freshener things. They're in a jar and you take the lid off. And yeah, I have one near the kitty litter. And then I have one that's not open yet in my dining room near the kitchen. So I got those. I got 4 jars of pickles, 2 slices, and 2 baby dills. They're all dills. I like their dill pickles. They are made in India, which I didn't know before. And the jars look different than the last time I bought them, so they might have changed. I hope not, because I bought 2 of each kind. I love pickles, and they're okay for me on my low-carb journey. And let's see, is there anything else I got? Can't think of anything else. That might be it. Yeah, I'm not sure. So I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.